Why you keep forgetting Turkish words and how to fix it. You learn a word, you feel confident, and then next day it's gone. Sounds familiar? Let's talk about why this keeps happening and how to fix it in a simple way. So the biggest problem, most people don't forget Turkish because they are bad at languages. They forget because they only see the word once. They don't use it in real sentences. They try to memorize instead of live with it. That's the real issue. So, why your brain forgets? Let's make it simple. Your brain says, not important, deletes it. No repetition, no memory. No emotion, no connection. So, the word disappears. So, simple fix. You don't need more vocabulary. You need repetition, real sentences, daily exposure. That's it. I'm going to give you some example. Let's take one word. Su. Water. Bad way. Su is equal water. Done. But the good way is su istiyorum. Su istiyorum. I want water. Biraz su ver. Biraz su ver. Give me some water. Or su nerede? Su nerede? Where's water? Now your brain remembers it. If you only learn words, you forget. If you learn sentences, you remember. Simple rule. Let's take a quick quiz. Try to think. What does this mean? Kahve istiyorum. Kahve istiyorum. Second, beni bekle. Beni bekle. The last one, hemen gel. Hemen gel. Now pause here, try to answer. So the answers, kahve istiyorum, I want coffee. Beni bekle, wait for me. Hemen gel, come immediately. If you got it right, good. If not, even better. You are learning. So the real solution. Do this. Learn 5 phrases. Use them in your head all day. Repeat them 3 to 4 times. Example. Morning. Kahve istiyorum. During day. Kahve istiyorum. Night. Kahve istiyorum. Now it sticks. So simple shift. Don't say I learned Turkish words. Say I use Turkish phrases. That changes everything. So next time you forget a word, don't blame yourself. Change how you learn it. Small change, big progress. I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.